Hi guys, I'm excited. I'm back. FlorasPlaceShop on Etsy. My fall wreath is finally done, part 5. Isn't it lovely? Oh my goodness, it's so nice. I decided to take this extra ribbon and use it in the top here and give it some embellishments because, you know, you always have a little bit of ribbon left, but, you know, you can use that extra ribbon and put it in your wreath. So I just want to take this time to thank everybody. Like I said, it's my first time, so I hope you follow along with me. And I have some upcoming treats to show you. You're going to be excited, girls. Okay, so I'm back. Did you guys miss me? So we're going to put that down there, and I'm going to show you what I have. Look at these colors, ladies. Aren't they beautiful? And look at this. Oh, I can't wait. And show you the sign. And the ribbon. Oh my goodness. I just got my order in. I've been waiting for this order. So I thought I would show you a quick peek what I'm going to be working on. And actually this piece is going to a customer's front door. So this is going to be nice. Now, obviously, I'm not going to use this sign because it's too big, but I have some other wreaths. Hopefully, we'll get our grapevine wreaths in, and we'll be able to start that, and you guys can follow me along. Now, I'm going to give you a peek, ladies. Look what I have. Christmas. I know you're going to say she's crazy, but I'm not. I just got it in because it's an order. If you don't place your orders now, ladies, they're running out of stock. So I just wanted to have some beautiful things here for you, ladies, so that you can follow me. Maybe you have some ideas. Please leave a comment below. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I am nervous, but I'll get better. We'll get better. You'll help me along on my journey, and we'll have lots of fun. So I've got lots to do. Very busy. I hope you guys are too. And always be safe, be kind, and God bless. I'll see you soon. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, subscribe.